Hello, in this video I want to show you how to send friend invites in Dark and Darker. To do this, first you will need to click on a play, then a player list in the bottom right corner of the screen. Right here you'll be able to find all of the players online on the server, and there's many more. The list contains I think only 12 pages, so keep that in mind. If you want to find a specific person, like a friend, then enter their account name. They can find their account name right here in the player list as well. Enter the name, then click on the loop icon. It should find them. Then you can right click on the person you want to invite and then invite them to the friends. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.